Okay, our first question, x minus 7 times x minus 4. We're asked to expand and simplify it. So we'll use the FOIL method. So we'll start with our first term is x times x, gives us x squared. Our outside terms are x times negative 4, gives us negative 4x. Inside terms are negative 7 times x, gives us negative 7x. And our last terms are negative 7 times negative 4, which gives us positive 28. We collect our like terms, negative 4x and negative 7x, for a final answer of x squared minus 11x plus 28. Question B, x minus 8 times x plus 8. Our first terms are x times x, gives us x squared. Our outside terms, x times positive 8, gives us positive 8x. Inside terms, negative 8 times x, gives us negative 8x. And our last terms, negative 8 times positive 8, gives us negative 64. Our like terms of positive 8x and negative 8x cancel out, and we're left with x squared minus 64. Question C, our first terms, x times x gives us x squared. Outside terms, x times negative 3 gives us negative 3x. Inside terms, 9 times x gives us a positive 9x. And our last terms, 9 times negative 3 gives us negative 27. We collect the like terms of negative 3x, positive 9x, to give us positive 6x, for a final answer of x squared plus 6x minus 27. Question D is negative 3 plus 2x times negative 10 plus x. Our first terms, negative 3 times negative 10 gives us 30. The outside terms, negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Our inside terms are 2x and negative 10, gives us negative 20x. And our last terms are 2x times x, which gives us 2x squared. We'll collect our like x terms of negative 3 and negative 20 to give us negative 23x. And we'll rewrite it so that our exponent is the beginning term, our x term is the middle, and our constant is the last term. This is just the more common convention. Question E is 2x plus 1 times 3x plus 7. Our first terms, 2x times 3x, gives us 6x squared. Our outside terms of 2x and 7 multiplied together gives us 14x. 1 times 3x is 3x. And 1 times 7 is 7. Collect our like terms of 14x and 3x to give us 17x, for a final answer of 6x squared plus 17x plus 7. Question F, 3x minus 4 times 3x plus 5. Our first terms, 3x times 3x gives us 9x squared. The outside terms of 3x times 5 give us 15x. The inside terms, negative 4 times 3x, is negative 12x. And our last terms of negative 4 times 5 gives us negative 20. Collect our like x terms. for a final answer of 9x squared plus 3x minus 20. Question G, 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3. Our first terms of 2x times 2x gives us 4x squared. The outside terms of 2x times negative 3 gives us negative 6x. The inside terms, the same. Negative 3 times 2x also gives us negative 6x. And negative 3 times negative 3 gives us positive 9. Our like terms, negative 6 and negative 6, combine together to give us negative 12x, for a final answer of 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. H, 4 plus 2a times 3 plus 2a. First terms, 4 times 3 is 12. Outside terms, 4 times 2a is 8a. Inside terms, 2a times 3 is 6a. And our last terms, 2a times 2a gives us 4a squared. Collecting our like terms, 8a plus 6a becomes 14a, for a final answer of 4a squared plus 14a plus 12. Once again, we take our squared exponent, bring it to the front, and we take our constant and put it at the end. So it's in this order. Again, the more common convention of how to write our final expression. Using the picture of the following basketball court, write a trinomial expression for the area of the court. Well, area is length times width. So if our length is x plus 1 and our width is x minus 11, then the area becomes x plus 1 times x minus 11. When we expand this, we end up with x squared plus x minus 11x minus 11, which further simplifies to x squared minus 10x minus 11. So this is the trinomial that represents the area of this basketball court. Now we're told that x has a value of 25, so now we want to know the area. We simply take this 25, we plug it into our equation, and that will give us the actual numeric area. So 25 squared minus 10 times 25 minus 11 simplifies to 625 minus 250 minus 11, which further simplifies to 364. And because we're talking about area, we write it as a squared value. So 364 meters squared is the area of this basketball court. Now, we could have also done this another way. We could have taken 25 minus 11, which is 14, and multiplied it by 25 plus 1, which is 26, and that would have given us the same answer. Simplify each expression. So again, we'll just expand. R plus 6 times R minus 3 using our FOIL method gives us a final answer of R squared plus 3R minus 18. Question B is P plus 7 times 9P minus 5. Once again, using the FOIL method, first, outside, inside, and last. Collect our like terms for a final answer of 9p squared plus 58p minus 35. Question C is 3s plus 8 squared. The whole binomial here is being squared. So we can rewrite this as 3s plus 8 times 3s plus 8. And from then on, we'll just use our FOIL method to expand it. We end up with a final answer, 9s squared plus 48 plus 64. Question D, same steps. Question E, imagine this is supposed to be F. G, you can just pause the video if you need to spend a little bit more time with each answer. H, I, and J.